shape BCD shown above is a diagram for a logo. The straight line DB and DC are equal in length. The curve BC is an arc of a circle with center A and radius 6 cm. The size of angle BAC is 2.2 radians and AD is 4 cm. Find A, the area of the sector BAC in centimeters squared. Here's the sector BAC, that sector here. We need to find the area. In finding the area of a sector, the formula we use is a half r squared times the angle, and the angle here is 2 radians, so that would be a half 6 squared times 2.2 in radians, and that would be 36 times 1.1. that equals, so plug that into your calculator, 36 times 1.1, and that gives 39.6 centimeter squared. So that's the area of the sector. Sector BAC, and that's what we're looking for. Question B, the size of angle DAC in radians to 3 significant figure. This is DAC, but DAC is also same as DAB because they have the same size here. So the total angle of a circle is 360 degrees, and that's 2 pi. Pi equals 180 degrees, which is 3.142 radians, or, so that's approximation, or you might say 3.142 rad. So that's what pi is. So 2 pi equals 360 degrees, roughly 2 times 3.142 radians, or you might say roughly 2 times 3.142 rad. Now, to find the angle itself, what we need to do is, if we call this angle here x, and this one too will be x. So the total angle of a circle is, I've got 2x plus 2.2 equals 2 pi. And therefore, 2x equals 2 pi minus 2.2. And therefore, x equals 2 pi minus 2.2 over 2. So therefore, x will be equal to 2 times 3.142 minus 2.2 over 2, and that gives 2.04. So therefore, the angle that we're looking for, so we need 3 points to make an angle, and in this case it's DAC, and that angle is 2.04, and that's the angle we're looking for. Find the complete area of the logo design to the nearest centimeter squared. Area of the logo, so we know the area of the sector here, we just found that. That's 39.6. We need to find the area of this triangle, and because this triangle is same as that triangle, so we times it by 2, then we add it to the area of the sector here. Area of the triangle equals, we have to use a half. Right, if we call that A, so that's A, D, and B, but we know what the angles here are. That's 2.04, and the angle here is 2.04. And so, and if this is angle B, this is little b. If this is angle A, this is little a. And if this is angle D, this is little d. So to find the area that covers this one here, we're using that angle A, and the two sides attached to angle A is going to be BD sine A. And that will be a half. Well, B is 4 times 4. D is 6 times 6 times sine 2.04. To work this out, we need to make sure the calculator is in radians. To make calculator in radians, you need to check the top screen to see if it's showing R or D. If it's not showing R, you need to go to Shift and Menu. Then you need to select 2 for angle unit. Then you select 2 for radian. Now it will show R on your screen, at the top of the screen. Then you can use it to do your calculation because we are working in radians. So if you plug it in, yeah, you get, so that's 2 times 6 times sine 2.04. That should give us roughly 10.7. So that's an approximately 10.7. It goes on, so it's just 10.7 for 3 significant figures. And because we got 2 of them, so the total area of the triangle because there's 2 of them is roughly 10.7 times 2 times 2. That would be 21.4. Now we need to add the area of the sector, which is 39.6, and the area of that triangle is 10.7, and the area of that triangle is 10.7. If we add them together, so total area of the logo will be equal to 21.4 plus 39.6, and that equals 61 centimeters squared. So we can now say the logo area equals 61 centimeters squared. And that's the area that we are looking for.